Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is Freesie Aquarium Heater. This is one convenient little heater that we all need to have. The Freesie Aquarium Heater is known to heat Betta fish tanks anywhere between 59 degrees to 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which of course, should be enough for all Betta owners. It is very easy to adjust the temperature you need. We also deliberately give each customer a free diving thermometer. You can observe the water temperature of the fish tank at any time. Automatic constant temperature function. When water temperature reaches to specified temperature value, heater will automatically stop heating. When water temperature is lower than the set temperature, heater will automatically start heating. Furthermore, automatic safety shutoff feature, and overheating protection. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best heater for Betta fish list is the 2 Mini Aquarium Heater. Creating and maintaining a perfect and comfortable water temperature. This product is one of the best in market. Creating and maintaining a perfect and comfortable water temperature for our cute fish is not easy, which requires a lot of effort. Now the 2 Mini 25 watts Aquarium Heater can help you make this easier. Precise and constant temperature, no need to set. Keep the temperature of fish habitat in the best state at all times. You will find it very easy and happy to take care of pet fish. No need to set. The 2 fish tank heater will automatically keep the water temperature of the fish habitat at 78 F. This temperature is very suitable for Betta and most tropical fish. When the water temperature is lower than 78 degrees Fahrenheit, the heater starts to heat and the red light is on. When the temperature reaches 78 degrees Fahrenheit, the heater stops heating and the green light is on. 2 will always maintain this comfortable temperature for your beloved fish. Our third pick is Pulico 25 watts Aquarium Betta Heater. This fish tank heater should be 100% submerged into water, ideal for small glass or acrylic aquariums. Vertical or horizontal placement using Aquarium Heater automatic temperature control 78 degree, no need to adjust temperature, easy to operate, fish is happy. Plug in, red light turns on, the heater will start working until water temperature up to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, and red light off, then the green light will turn on, heater stop working and keeping constant temperature 78 degrees Fahrenheit. It is better to install a water pump to help water circulating while heating. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best heater for Betta fish list is Freesie Aquarium Heater. The Freesie Betta tank heater comes in 3 different wattages. It is made from durable milky quartz coupled with an indicator light on one side of the heater. Automatic constant temperature function. When water temperature reaches to specified temperature value, heater will automatically stop heating. When water temperature is lower than the set temperature, heater will automatically start heating. Touch button, cyclic adjust temperature, easy to use and safety. This heater is 100% submersible use only. During its heating time, heater must be 100% submerged into the water. Multifunction LED digital display heater. Use advanced IC technology, oval appearance, large LED display. Clearly and accurately displays the water temperature, highlights your aquarium. Last in this list is Fluval E-Series aquarium heater. This tank heater from Fluval is designed to make heating your aquarium simple and effortless. The heater has a small LCD screen that displays the current water temperature in your aquarium. Aquarium heater with dual temperature sensors provide accurate and real-time water temperatures. LCD temperature display available in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, with a range of 68 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The included mounting bracket can go nearly anywhere in your tank, and you can remove the heater from the tank without having to take out the mounting bracket. Even better, the heater can go on the mounting bracket in any direction so you can easily read the temperature screen. If it has to be taken out of the water or when transferring or changing the water, disconnect the heater from the power source and wait for at least 30 minutes to allow it to cool down. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.